For the nail biters and the overnighters. For the finger peepers and the thrill seekers. For those born on two wheels and those used to more. For the race day countdown and the final sprint. For the fair weather fans. For the flag to flag obsessed. For the legacy viewers. And tomorrow's newcomers. For the try this at homers. For the podium celebrators. And the sofa-seated faithfuls.
Red flags cleared at the front. Green flag clears at the back. It's lights out. We are racing in Motogp here. This is Motogp at its very best.
For the chase.
What a move that was! Can you believe it? How much more drama?
For the win.
Unbelievable.
For all of us.
It is pure magic.
Motogp. Faster, forward, fearless.